If you bring a knife and are swallowed by a python, can you save yourself with a knife? First of all, you have to ensure that you can jump into the belly of the python alive, and this probability is 0. The process of python eating prey is roughly divided into the following steps. The first step is observation and analysis. The prey is 1.6 meters long and 45 centimeters wide, and the speed is very slow. The second part, snake attack and bite the prey. The third part, entangling the prey. With every breath you exhale, your lungs contract and collapse a little, and it will strangle a little tighter. Finally, your chest cavity cannot expand, and you will be strangled and suffocated to death by it. The fourth step is to swallow and eat. Therefore, it is said that a python eats all dead things. Basically, a python will not swallow you when you are alive. No matter how big you, the prey, is, you will faint from exhaustion. In addition, in the process of strangling the prey, the python can also sense the heartbeat of the prey. If your heart is still beating, the snake will continue to bite and hold on tightly. When your heart stops beating, he thinks that you will no longer randomly attack or hurt him. Generally, socially experienced snakes eat their prey from the head down, so that they are less likely to get caught in their arms. Of course, there are also inexperienced pythons who are new to society and will start eating from the feet. If they get stuck in your arm, they have to spit you out and start all over again. If your shoulders are too wide, he will use enough force to squeeze your shoulders and swallow them. So if you want to enter the snake's stomach alive and still have the strength to take out the knife and pierce the snake's belly, this operation is impossible. So you might think you got in the python's belly alive. Now you know you will not stand a chance.